Good afternoon, everyone. I just got done opening up a box of 2012 Score Football. There are 7 cards per pack with 36 packs per box. Boxes go for around $30 each, which isn't too expensive, but then again, you're not guaranteed any major hits inside either. Alright, I'll start off by showing you the more notable rookies and parallels and stuff that I pulled. Start off with an Andrew Luck rookie. Then I got a photo variation rookie of Michael Egnew from the Dolphins. Doug Baldwin, scorecard parallel. Jacquizz Rodgers, scorecard parallel. Mike Williams scorecard. Larod Stevens-Howling scorecard. Robert Griffin III Gold Zone rookie. Courtney Upshaw, Gold Zone rookie. Morris Claiborne, Gold Zone rookie. Brian Quick, Gold Zone rookie. I was lucky to pull a Kirk Cousins autograph rookie. I believe there are only 4 autographs per case. And probably my best hit out of the box was a Trent Richardson Red Zone rookie. And this one is numbered to 20. Okay, thank you for watching. I will talk to you later.